Have you ever used the YC Cloud? It is a way to access a kind of computer within a computer in a browser. So here I'm using Firefox on Windows, and I'm going to type in the address cloud.yc.edu. That takes me here. I'm going to click the right option, the blue monitor, and now I'm going to log in as I normally would to the college website using my college user and password. This set of tiles comes next, and I'm going to choose the lab computer in the upper left. When I get a non-secure message like this, I simply go to the Advanced button. When I click that, it tells me this down below, and I click Add Exception. So I'm saying I know the computer or the browser thinks this isn't safe, but I know it's safe because it's Yavapai College's cloud. And now I'm going to confirm that this site is an exception to the security rule. When I get through that, it starts up what looks like Windows 10, and that's what it is. It's going to start a Windows 10 computer desktop, the same that you might see if you use a lab computer on any campus. And that's what it is. It's a virtual machine that allows you to use a Windows computer through the browser. Now be aware, while this is a great thing and gives you access to all the software that's on a campus computer, you are using a little more data over your data internet connection at home or wherever you're accessing this. So be aware that that may be happening. And so if you have a plan that charges by the data, then you want to be aware so you don't get any extra unforeseen charges for data overages. The other thing is this system is not exactly like a computer in the way that it saves files. So when you do work on this computer, and here is the desktop, it looks just like a computer within this browser window. When you use this and save files, when you do work, write an essay, etc., you have to save any work to your Z drive, which you do have access to through the Windows Explorer, for example, when you're hooked up with this. And you see that as if you click on this PC and then go to Network Locations, you see your Z drive as the network location that has your username on it. It's called a Z drive because there's a letter Z also associated. And this is the place that you can store your work and will always have access to it over the network or online when you're a student at Yavapai. So that's how to access the YC Cloud. And if you're having trouble, for instance, using media, things don't open, things aren't working, this is a good workaround to try because things generally do work using the YC Cloud access. If you have any technical issues, call the TELS department at 771-6120. Thank you.